Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial Hub channel. Today we are going to do exam questions on the cell structure and function. This is Unit 3 Biology. Let's do together. Question number 1. Which structure surrounds every living cells, separating its contents from the outside environment? A. Cell wall. B. Nucleus. C. Cytoplasm. D. Cell membrane. Which structure surrounds every living cells? And separating its contents from the outside environment? Good. The correct answer is D. Cell membrane. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a structure that plant and animal cells have in common? A. Nucleus. B. Cell wall. C. Cytoplasm. D. Cell membrane. Which part of the cell is not common in both plant and animal cells? Good. The correct answer is cell wall. Cell wall is only found in plant cells. Animal cells do not have cell wall. So the correct answer for question number 2 is cell wall. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, these are found in both plant and animal cells. However, cell wall is not found in animal cells. It is found in plant cells. So cell wall is not a common structure in plant and animal cells. So the correct answer for question number 2 is B. Question number 3. The thick fluid-filled region in the cell that contains all the organelles is called the A. Nucleus, B. Vacuole, C. Cytoplasm, D. Cell membrane. The thick fluid-filled region in the cell that contains all the organelles is called what? What's the correct answer from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is C. Cytoplasm is the thick fluid-filled region in the cell that contains all the organelles, and this part of the cell is called cytoplasm. So the correct answer for question number 3 is C. Cytoplasm. Nucleus organelle ነው, vacuole organelle ነው። yes በፈሳሽ የተሞላው ኦርጋኖችን የያዘ የሴል ክፍል ማን ይባላል ነው ጥያቄው። ስለዚህ መልሱ ሳይቶፕላዝም ነው። C. Question number 4. What's the general term for a distinct structure within a cell that has a specific function? A. Tissue. B. Organelle. C. Vesicle. D. Molecule. Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? A distinct structure within the cell that has specific function. Good. The correct answer is B. Organelle. Organelle is a general term for a distinct structure with the cell that has specific function. There are different organelles within the cytoplasm. So the correct answer for question number 4 is organelle. Good. Question number 5. Which organelle controls all the activity of the cell and contains the DNA? A. Mitochondria. B. Nucleus. C. Ribosomes. D. Cytoplasm. What's the correct answer from the given alternatives? That controls all the activity of the cell and that contains the DNA or chromosomes or chromatin? Good. The correct answer for question number 5 is B. Nucleus. የሴሉን በሙሉ የሚቆጣጠር በበላይነት ሆኖ የሚቆጣጠረው የሴሉን ስራ ማን ነው? ኒውክለስ ነው። በውስጡ ምን ስለያዘ? ዲኤንኤ ስለያዘ። በውስጡ ምን ስለያዘ? ክሮሞዞም ስለያዘ። ስለዚህ እንደ ኮማንድ ሴንተር ሆኖ የሚያገለግለው ኒውክለስ ነው። Question number 6. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell because it is the site of respiration and energy synthesis? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Mitochondria. C. Lysosomes. D. Chloroplast. Which organ is the powerhouse of the cell? Because the fact that it is the site of respiration and energy synthesis from the given alternatives. Good. The correct answer is D. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. and mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration, and they are the site of what? Energy synthesis. So the correct answer for question number 6 is B, mitochondria. የኃይል ምንጭ ሆኖ የሚያገለግለው የኃይል ለምሳሌ አንድ ከተማ ኤሌክትሪክ ኃይል አለ እና ለሴሉ ደግሞ እንደ ኃይል ምንጭ ሆኖ የሚያገለግለው እንደ ጄኔሬተር ሆኖ የሚያገለግለው ማለት ነው ማይቶኮንድሪያ ነው። ማይቶኮንድሪያ ውስጥ ምን ስለሚካሄድ? ሴሉላር ሬስፓይሬሽን ስለሚካሄድ። ሴሉላር ሬስፓይሬሽን ምንድን ነው? Cellular respiration means breakdown of food in order to generate what? Energy. And that energy is important for different purpose or different metabolic activities. So this energy synthesis or site of respiration is performed within the mitochondria. So mitochondria is the power of the cell. Good. So the correct answer for question number 6 is B, mitochondria. Question number 7. What's the function of a ribosome? A, to produce energy. B, to package and distribute molecules. C, to synthesize proteins. D, to control what enters and leaves the cell. What's the function of a ribosome from the given alternatives? የራይቦዞም ስራ ምንድን ነው? Good. The correct answer is to synthesize proteins. Proteins are synthesized on the ribosome. So the function of ribosome is to synthesize proteins. So the correct answer for question number 7 is C. To produce energy, this is the function of what? Mitochondria. To package and distribute molecules is the function of what? Golgi bodies. To control what enters and leaves the cell is the function of what? Cell membrane. So the correct answer for question number 7 is C. The function of ribosome is to synthesize proteins or to make proteins. Energy የሚሰራው ውስጥ ነው ማይቶኮንድሪያ ውስጥ ሞለኪውሎችን ፓክድ የሚያደርግና ዲስትሪቢዩት የሚያደርግ ምንድነው ብለናል? ጎልጂ አፓራተስ ወይም ጎልጂ ቦዲ ናቸው ብለናል። ወደ ሴል ውስጥ የሚገባውና የሚወጣውን የሚቆጣጠረው ማን ነው? ሴል መምብሬን ነው። ስለዚህ ራይቦዞም ስራ ምንድነው? ፕሮቲን መስራት ነው። Good. Question number 8. What's the primary function of cell membrane? A, to provide rigid structural support. B, to control what enters and leaves the cell. C, to be the site of photosynthesis. D, to store genetic information. What's the primary function of cell membrane from the given alternatives? Students, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is what? B, the primary function of cell membrane is to control what enters and leaves the cell. So substance that enters into the cell or substance that leaves the cell is controlled by cell membrane. ስለዚህ ሳብስታንስ የሚወጡትና የሚገቡትን ወደ ሴል ውስጥ የሚገቡትና የሚወጡትን ነገሮች የሚቆጣጠረው ማን ነው? ሴል መምብሬን ነው። Phase A, to provide rigid structural support. This is the function of what? Cell wall in plant cell. Plant cells have cell wall. That cell wall is important to provide what? Structural support. To be the site of photosynthesis, this is what? Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis የሚካሄድበት ምግብ የሚሰራበት እሱ ነው። ክሎሮፕላስት ነው። To store genetic information, nucleus, genetic information, DNA, chromosomes, chromatins are stored within the nucleus. So the correct answer for question number 8 is B, to control what enters and leaves the cell. This is the function of cell membrane, the primary function of cell membrane. Question number 9, comparing the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Which statement best explains their differences? A, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes for protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum does not. B, rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in protein synthesis and modification. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum in lipid synthesis and detoxification. C, both are identical in function but differ in location. D, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is a single membrane while smooth endoplasmic reticulum is a double membrane. What is the correct answer from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is B. rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved in protein synthesis and it involved in protein modification, sorting. However, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification of what? Drugs, alcohols, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum also important to store calcium. Yes, so the correct answer for question number 9 is B. Good. Choice A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes for protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum does not. No, this is the reverse. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, but a smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosomes. Both are identical in function? No, they differ in function. Endoplasmic reticulum is important for protein modification, sorting, and synthesis. However, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is important for lipid synthesis and detoxification. And single membrane, double membrane, both rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum have double membrane. Both have double membrane. So the correct answer for question number 9 is B. Good. Question number 10. Which organelle functions in the collection, staging, and distribution of molecules within the cell? A. Endoplasmic reticulum. B. Lysosome. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Vacuole. Join the correct answer from the given alternatives. Which organelle functions in the collection, packaging, and distribution of molecules, substance, materials within the cell or out of the cell? I think you got the answer. Good. The correct answer is what? C. Golgi apparatus. The function of Golgi apparatus is to collect, to package, and to distribute molecules within the cell or out of the cell. That is the function of Golgi apparatus. So, collection, packaging, and distribution of molecules within the cell is performed by Golgi apparatus. So, Golgi apparatus is a kind of organelle that perform collection, packaging, distribution of molecules, proteins, and lipids, and other molecules too. That's the function of Golgi apparatus. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is for modification, sorting of proteins. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes to break down food or to digest food, and old organelles. So the correct answer for question number 10 is C. Golgi apparatus. Good. Question number 11. Which organelle is a package of digestive enzymes used to break down bacteria or damaged organelles? A. Vesicle. B. Ribosomes. C. Lysosomes. D. Centrioles. Which organelle is a package of digestive enzymes used to break down bacteria or damaged organs? From the given alternatives. The correct answer is what? Lysosome. Lysosome contains digestive enzymes that are used to break down bacteria and other damaged or old organelles within the cell. So the organelle that is packaging with digestive enzymes, which is important to break down bacteria or damaged organelles, is lysosome. What's the function of centrioles? Centrioles are important for cell division by the formation of spindle fiber or microtubules. Ribosomes, the function of ribosomes is to make or synthesize proteins. Vesicles are sacs that are important to transport different molecules from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. So the correct answer for question number 11 is C. Lysosome. Good. Question number 12. In which organism would you find a cell? A. Only in animal cells. B. Only in plant cells. C. In plant, fungal, and bacterial cells. D. In animal and fungal cells. John, the correct answer from the given alternatives. In which organisms would you find a cell? I think you got the answer. Good. The correct answer is C. Cell wall is found in plant, fungal, and bacterial cells. Animal cells do not have cell wall. Plant cells have cell wall. Fungal cells have cell wall. So the cell wall is found in plant, fungal, and bacterial cells. Good. Question number 13. Which organelle is the site of photosynthesis in green plant cells? A. Mitochondria. B. Vacuole. C. Chloroplast. D. Cell wall. The site of photosynthesis in green plants. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants manufacture their own food, and this photosynthesis is performed within the chloroplast. So the correct answer for question number 13 is C. Chloroplast. Mitochondria. This is the powerhouse of the cell. It is the site of what? Cellular respiration. The site of what? Energy synthesis. Cell wall. This is the outer part of plant, fungal, and bacterial cell to give structure support for cells. Good. So the correct answer for question number 13 is C. Chloroplast. Good. Question number 14. What's the function of a contractile vacuole found in some unicellular organisms? A. To digest food. B. To store waste products. C. To expel excess water from the cell. D. To help the cell move. What's the function of contractile vacuole that's found in some unicellular organisms? Yes, especially in amoeba. What's the function of contractile vacuole? Good. The correct answer is C. To expel excess water from the cells. Yes, those unicellular organisms that live in fresh water, that live in lakes, ponds, rivers, they have contractile vacuole in order to remove or in order to expel excess water from the cells. So the function of contractile vacuole in some unicellular organisms is to expel or to remove excess water from the cells. Yes, good. vacuoles አሉ contractile vacuole, food vacuole, plant vacuole የሚባሉ contractile vacuole ውሃን ማስወጣት ነው። food vacuole ምግብን ዳይጀስት ማድረግ ነው። Good. So the correct answer for question number 14 is C. Question number 15. What's the function of the nucleus? A. Replication of DNA. B. ATP synthesis. C. Production of ribosomal RNA and ribosome subunits. D. Regulation of cell division. What's the function of the nucleus? Nucleus is found within the nucleus. Nucleus does not have membrane. So what's the function of this nucleus, which is found within the nucleus? Good. Nucleus is important to produce ribosomal RNA and to produce ribosome subunits. So the function of the nucleus is for the production of ribosomal RNA and ribosome subunits. So ribosome subunits are synthesized or produced by the nucleus, which is found within the nucleus. ኒውክሊየስ ውስጥ የሚገኝ የሴል ፓርት አለ ኒውክሊየስ የሚባል የዚህ ኒውክሊየስ ስራ ምንድነው? ራይቦዞሞችን መስራት ነው። ራይቦዞም የሚሰራው ውስጥ ነው፣ ኒውክሊየስ ውስጥ ነው። ምን የሚባል ኒውክሊየስ ፓርት ውስጥ? ኒውክሊየስ ውስጥ የሚባል የሴል ፓርት ውስጥ። ሜምብሬን የለውም። ስራው ምንድነው? ራይቦዞምን መስራት ነው። Good. Question number 16. Which evidence best supports the endosymbiotic theory for the origin of mitochondria and chloroplasts? A. Both lack membranes. B. Both have their own circular DNA and ribosomes similar to prokaryotes. C. Both are found only in prokaryote cells. D. Both perform protein digestion. What is endosymbiotic theory? Endosymbiotic theory proposes that or explains that how did eukaryotic cells originate? And this endosymbiotic theory proposes that certain organelles within eukaryotic cells originated from living bacteria. Yes, living bacteria engulfed by cells, and this living bacteria integrated within the host cells and they became mitochondria or chloroplast. And this theory is known as endosymbiotic theory. So, Which evidence best supports the endosymbiotic theory for the origin of mitochondria and chloroplasts from the given alternatives? Endosymbiotic theory is the theory that mitochondria and chloroplasts are originated from prokaryotic cells or bacteria, living bacteria engulfed by cells, and they incorporated into the host cell, and finally they become mitochondria and chloroplasts. Good, the correct answer is B. Because both have their own circular DNA, both mitochondria and chloroplasts have their own circular DNA. Both mitochondria and chloroplasts have ribosomes similar to bacteria cells or similar to prokaryotes. So the correct answer for question number 16 is B. Both mitochondria and chloroplasts have their own circular DNA, and both mitochondria and chloroplasts have ribosomes similar to prokaryotic organisms, similar to bacteria, and this supports the endosymbiotic theory. So the correct answer for question number 16 is B. mitochondria እና ክሎሮፕላስት ምን አላቸው መሰላችሁ? የራሳቸው ዲኤንኤ አላቸው፣ የራሳቸው ራይቦዞምስ አላቸው። ዲኤንኤው እንደገና ሰርኩላር ነው እና ሳይንቲስቶቹ ምንድነው የሚሉት? እንዴት እነዚህ ክሎሮፕላስቶች እና ማይቶኮንድሪያ የራሳቸው ዲኤንኤ ሊኖራቸው ቻለ፣ እንዴት ራይቦዞም ሊኖራቸው ቻለ የሚለውን ዩካሪዮት ሴሎች ባክቴሪያዎቹን በሏቸው፣ ዋጧቸው ወይም ወደ ውስጥ አስገቧቸው። ወደ ሴላቸው ውስጥ ካስገቧቸው በኋላ በኢቮሉሽን አማካኝነት እነዛ ሴሎች፣ እነዛ ባክቴሪያዎች፣ እነዛ ፕሮካሪዮቶች ምን ሆነው ቀሩ ይላሉ? ወደ ማይቶኮንድሪያ ተቀየሩ፣ ወደ ክሎሮፕላስት ተቀየሩ እና የሴል ፓርት ሆኑ። የዚህ የዩካሪዮቲክ ሴሎች እንደ አንድ የሴል ክፍል ሆኑ። ያስ እነዚህ ዩካሪዮቲክ ሴሎች፣ ፕላንት ሴሎች፣ አኒማል ሴሎች ወይም ሌሎችም ሴሎች ባክቴሪያዎቹን ወይም ፕሮካሪዮቲክ ሴሎችን ምን አሏቸው? ወደ ሴላቸው ውስጥ አስገቧቸው፣ እንገልፍ አድርጓቸው። ካስገቧቸው በኋላ ከጊዜ ሂደት በኋላ እነዛ ባክቴሪያዎች፣ እነዛ ፕሮካሪዮቶች ወደም ተቀየሩ? ወደ ማይቶኮንድሪያ፣ ወደ ክሎሮፕላስት ተቀየሩ ብለው ነው ይህንን ቲዮሪ የሚሰሩት። ይህ ቲዮሪ ምን ይባላል? ኢንዶሲምባዮቲክ ቲዮሪ ይባላል። እና ይህን ኤቪደንስ ይህንን ቲዮሪ የሚደግፍ ምንድን ነው? ዲኤንኤም ክሎሮፕላስትም የራሳቸው ዲኤንኤ ያላቸው። ዲኤንኤው ደግሞ ምንድን ነው? ማይቶኮንድሪያም ክሎሮፕላስትም የራሳቸው ዲኤንኤ ያላቸው። ዲኤንኤው ደግሞ ሰርኩላር ነው። ልክ እንደ ባክቴሪያ ዲኤንኤ ሰርኩላር ነው። የራሳቸው ራይቦዞም አላቸው። Good. So the correct answer for question number 16 is B. Question number 17. Lysosomes are often called suicide bags because they A. produce energy, B. certain digestive enzymes that can break down cellular wastes, or the entire cells if ruptured, C. synthesize lipids, D. transport proteins. Why these lysosomes are often called suicide bags? Because of what? From the given alternatives. But the correct answer from the given alternatives, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is what? B. Because these lysosomes contain what? Digestive enzymes that can break down cellular wastes or dead organelles or old organelles, or the entire cells if ruptured. If these lysosomes are ruptured, or if these lysosomes are break down, they damage the entire cell. That is the reason why lysosomes are often called suicide bugs. suicide ማለት ራስን ማጥፋት ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም እነዚህ ላይዞሞች በውስጣቸው ምን ይዘዋል? ኢንዛይሞች ይዘዋል፣ ዳይጀስቲቭ ኢንዛይሞች ይዘዋል። እነዚህ ዳይጀስቲቭ ኢንዛይሞች ስራቸው ምንድነው? ያረጁትን የሴል ዌስቶች ወይም ሴል ፓርቶች ብሬክ ዳውን ማድረግ ነው፣ መሰባበር ነው፣ ወደ ተለያዩ ነገሮች መሰባበር ነው። ሰባብሮ ከሴል ውስጥ ወደ ውጭ እንዲወጡ ማስደረግ ነው። ነገር ግን እነዚህ ላይዞሞች ቢፈነዱ እነዚህ ከረጢቶች ቢፈነዱ ኢንዛይሞቹን ይለቁታል ሴል ውስጥ። ኢንዛይሙን ሴል ውስጥ ከለቀቁት እንዳለ ሴሉ ሙሉ በሙሉ ይሞታል ማለት ነው። So that is the reason why these lysosomes are often called suicide bags. So the correct answer for question number 17 is B. Good. Question number 18. A cell that is very active in producing lipids, fats and oils would have a large amount of which organelle? A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. B. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Mitochondria. D. Ribosomes. The function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum is to produce lipids, fats, and oils. Correct answer for question number 18 is B. የስሙዝ endoplasmic reticulum ስራው ምንድነው ብለናል? ሊፒድን መስራት ነው ብለናል። Question number 19. A cell from a human muscle would require a lot of energy. Which organelle would be found in abundance to produce this energy? A. Chloroplast. B. Mitochondria. C. Vacuoles. D. Lysosomes. Which organelle would be abundant in these human muscle cells to provide more energy? Yes? Good. The correct answer is what? B. Mitochondria. Because mitochondria is what? They are the sites of cellular respiration. Energy production is performed in the mitochondria. So human muscle cells require a lot of energy. So mitochondria are more abundant in human muscle cells in order to generate more energy. So the correct answer for question number 19 is mitochondria. Good. Question number 20. The seed-like structures found inside the nucleus that contain a very long molecule of DNA are called A. Ribosomes. B. Chromosomes. C. Centrioles. D. Microtubules. A seed-like structures found inside the nucleus that contain a very large molecule of DNA are called what? Good. The correct answer is, I think got the answer. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are the seed-like structures that are found inside the nucleus that contain DNA molecules. So the correct answer for question number 10 is B. Chromosomes. Chromosomes are seed-like structures found inside the nucleus, and these chromosomes contain a very long molecule of DNA. Good. ስለዚህ ሂውማን መስል ሴል ለምንድነው? ለሙቭመንት ነው የሚያገለግለው አይደል? መስላችን የጡንቻችን ለሙቭመንት ለመንቀሳቀስ ነው። ስለዚህ ለመንቀሳቀስ ደግሞ ምን ያስፈልጋል? ብዙ ኢነርጂ ያስፈልጋል። ስለዚህ ሂውማን መስል ሴል በውስጣቸው ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያዎች አላቸው። ከሴላችን ውስጥ፣ ከሴሎቻችን ውስጥ፣ ከሰውነታችን ውስጥ የትኞቹ ሴሎች ውስጥ ነው ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያ የሚገኘው ብትባሉት ውስጥ ነው ያለው? ሂውማን መስል ሴል ውስጥ ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያ አለ። ለምን? ብዙ ኢነርጂ ጀነሬት ለማድረግ ብዙ ኃይል ለማምረት። ምክንያቱም መስል ሴላችን ብዙ ኃይል ይፈልጋል። ብዙ ኃይል እንዲፈለግ ብዙ ኃይል ስለሚፈልግ ብዙ ኢነርጂ መመረት አለበት። ብዙ ኢነርጂ እንደሚመረት ደግሞ ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያ ሂውማን መስል ሴል ውስጥ ሊኖር ይገባል። ስለዚህ ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያ ያለው ሂውማን መስል ሴል ውስጥ ነው። ለምን ብትባሉ ሂውማን መስል ሴል ለሙቭመንት ያገለግላል፣ ለመንቀሳቀስ ያስፈልጋል። እያንዳንዱ እንቅስቃሴ ከመስል ጋር የተገናኘ ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ መስል ሴሎች ብዙ ኢነርጂ ያስፈልጋቸዋል። ስለዚህ ብዙ ማይቶኮንድሪያ ያስፈልጋል ማለት ነው፣ ብዙ ኢነርጂ እንዲመረት። ጉድ። ክር የመሰሉ ነገሮች ኒውክለስ ውስጥ የሚገኙ በውስጣቸው ዲኤንኤ የያዙ ማን ይባላሉ? ክሮሞዞምስ ይባላሉ። ጉድ። Question number 21. What is the correct pathway for a protein that is produced for export out of the cell? A. Golgi apparatus. Ribosome vesicle. B. Ribosomes on rough endoplasmic reticulum. Vesicle. Golgi apparatus. Vesicle. Good. C. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes cell membrane. Good. D. Nucleus. Ribosomes, mitochondria. Which one is the correct answer? The correct pathway for protein synthesis or protein production and then export out of the cell. Which pathway? I think we got the answer. Good. The correct answer is B. Ribosomes on rough endoplasmic reticulum. They synthesize or they make proteins, and that proteins enter into the rough endoplasmic reticulum. They sorted, modified, and there is a formation of vesicle, and by that vesicle, by that sac, transport into Golgi apparatus. In the Golgi apparatus, there is further modification or sorting or packaging takes place, and from that Golgi apparatus, there is a formation of vesicle, then by that vesicle, proteins are transported out of the cell or export out of the cell. So the correct answer for question number 21 is B. This is the correct pathway. ራፍ ኢንዶፕላዝሚክ ተክለም ላይ ምን አለ? ራይቦዞሞች አሉ። ራይቦዞሞች ምን ይሰራሉ? ራይቦዞሞቹ ፕሮቲን ይሰራሉ። ራፍ ኢንዶፕላዝሚክ ተክለም ላይ እንደገና ፕሮቲን ሞዲፊኬሽን ምናምን ይካሄድበታል። ተጨማሪ ሶርቲንግ ይካሄዳል፣ ማሻሻያ ይደረግበታል። ከዛ ቪሲክሎች ከረጢቶች አሉ። እነዛ ከረጢቶች ያን ፕሮቲኑን ወደ ማን ያደርሳሉ? ወደ ጎልጂ አፓራተስ። ጎልጂ አፓራተስ እንደገና አሁንም እነዛን ፕሮቲን ተጨማሪ ሞዲፊኬሽን ያካሄዳል፣ ፓኬጅ ያደርጋቸዋል፣ እንደ ፖስት አድርጎ ያሽጋቸዋል። ከዛ ቪሲክል ይፈጠራል። ያ ቪሲክሉ በከረጢት አማካኝነት እነዛ ፕሮቲኖች ወደ ተለያየ ሴል ፓርት ወይም ከሴል ውጭ ወደ ውጭ የሚፈለግበት ቦታ ይጓጓዛሉ ማለት ነው። So the correct answer for question number 21 is B. Question number 22, the main difference between a plant cell and an animal cell is that plant cells have a cell membrane and mitochondria, B, a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole, C, a nucleus and cytoplasm, D, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. What's the main difference between plant cell and animal cells? Plant cells have one of the following, but not animal cells. I think you got the answer. Yes? Good. The correct answer is B. Plant cells have a cell wall, plant cells have chloroplast, plant cells have a large central vacuole. This is the main difference between a plant cell and animal cell. Plant cells have such kind of cell parts, but animal cells do not have such kind of cell parts. Animal cells do not have a cell wall, do not have chloroplasts, do not have large central vacuole. Animal cells have small temporary vacuole. The correct answer for question number 22 is B. ስለዚህ ፕላንት ሴሎች ሴል አላቸው፣ ክሎሮፕላስት አላቸው፣ ላርጅ ሴንትራል ቫኩል አላቸው። አኒማል ሴሎች ግን ሴል የላቸውም፣ ክሎሮፕላስት የላቸውም፣ ቫኩል አላቸው ግን ትልቅ አይደለም። ቫኩሉ ስሞል እና ቴምፖራሪ ነው አኒማል ሴል ውስጥ ያለው ቫኩል። ሴል ሜምብሬን ማይቶኮንድሪያ ሁለቱም አላቸው። both plants and animals have a cell membrane and mitochondria. Nucleus and cytoplasm, both plant and animal cells have a nucleus and cytoplasm. Ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum, both plant and animal cells have ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct answer for question number 22 is B. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplast, and a large central vacuole, but animal cells do not have a cell wall, chloroplast, and a large central vacuole. Question number 23. Which two organelles are listed as being found only in animal cells, not plant cells? A. Ribosomes and nucleus. B. Cell membrane and cytoplasm. C. Centrioles and lysosome. D. Chloroplast and vacuole. Which two organelles are found only in animal cell but not in plant cells from the given alternatives? ቅድም የተነጋገርነው ፕላንት ሴል ውስጥ ያለ አኒማል ውስጥ የሌለ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ አኒማል ውስጥ ያለ ፕላንት ሴል ውስጥ የሌለ ነው። So which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is C. Centrioles and lysosomes are found only in animal cells. Plant cells do not have centrioles and lysosomes. And lysosomes may be rare in plant cell, but you can say that plant cells do not have lysosomes. So centrioles and lysosomes are found only in animal cells. Plant cells do not have centriole and lysosomes. So the correct answer for question number 23 is C. Ribosomes and nucleus, these are common in both plant cell and animal cells. Cell membrane and cytoplasm is common in both plant cell and animal cells. Chloroplast and vacuole, the chloroplast is found in plant cell but not in animal cell. Vacuole, large and central vacuole is found in plant cell, but in animal cell the vacuole is small and temporal. But centriole and lysosomes are found only in animal cells. Plant cells do not have centrioles and lysosomes. Good. Question number 24. All of the following are common in animal and plant cells except A. Plastids, B. Mitochondria, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Ribosomes. I think we got the answer. What's the correct answer from the given alternatives? Good. The correct answer is A. Plastids. Endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, and mitochondria are common or they are found in both plant cell and animal cells. However, plastids are only found in plant cells. Plastids include what? Leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplasts. These are only found in plant cells. Animal cells do not have plastids. So the correct answer for question number 24 is A, plastids. Question number 25, an amoeba engulfs a smaller organism using its cell membrane. The engulfed organism ends up in a membrane-bound sac for digestion. Which organelle is this sac? A, contractile vacuole, B, lysosome, C, food vacuole, D, vesicle. Bacteria engulfs what? A smaller organism using its cell membrane. The engulfed organisms ends up in a membrane-bound sac for digestion. Which organelle is this sac? From the given alternatives. Good. The correct answer is C, food vacuole. Food vacuole is the sac which is important for digestion. So this food vacuole is a kind of vacuole that's found in some unicellular organisms which is important for digestion of food. So the correct answer for question number 25 is C. Question number 26, which organelle pairing correctly matches its primary function with the type of cell it is typically found in? A, chloroplast, energy production, animal cell. B, centrioles, photosynthesis, plant cell. C, chloroplast, photosynthesis, plant cell. C, cellule, selective permeability, animal cell. Which organelle pairing correctly with its primary function from the given alternatives and the type of cell it is typically found in? Good. The correct answer is what? C, chloroplast. It is the site of photosynthesis and it's found in plant cell. So the correct answer for question number 26 is C. Chloroplast, energy production? No, chloroplast is not the site of energy production. Mitochondria is the site of energy production. And chloroplast is not found in animal cell. Centrioles? No, centrioles are important for cell division. It is not the site of photosynthesis. And they are found in animal cells. Chloroplast, choice C is correct. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells and they are the site of what? Photosynthesis. These cellule selective permeability? No, cellules are not selective permeable. Cell membranes are selective membrane. And this cellule is not found in animal cells. They are found, cellule is found in plant cells. And cellule is not selective permeable. Cellule is what? Free permeable. Selective permeability is the characteristics of cell membrane. Good. Question number 27. What's the primary evolutionary advantage of compartmentalization in eukaryotic cells compared to prokaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells have different compartments, different organelles as compared to prokaryotic cells. What's the primary advantage of compartmentalization in eukaryotic cells as compared to prokaryotic cells? A, it eliminates the need for plasma membrane. B, it prevents the cell from needing to use ATP for transport. C, it allows different chemical reactions to occur simultaneously in specialized environment. D, it allows the cell to be much smaller and simpler. Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? What's the advantage of compartmentalization in eukaryotic cells? There is mitochondria, there is chloroplast, there is Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. All are what? Different organelles and found within cytoplasm. So what's the evolutionary advantage of compartmentalization in eukaryotic cells as compared to prokaryotic cells? Good, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is C. This compartmentalization is very important to allow different chemical reactions to occur simultaneously in specialized environment. So the correct answer for question number 27 is C. የተለያየ ቦታ የተለያየ ስራ እንዲካሄድ ማይቶኮንድሪያም የራሱ ስራ ያካሄዳል። ኢንዶፕላዝሚክ የራሱን ስራ ያካሄዳል። ክሎሮፕላስትም የራሱ ስራ ያካሄዳል። ራይቦዞምስ የራሱ ያካሄዳል። ስለዚህ በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት የተለያየ ስራ መስራት ይችላሉ፣ ያደርጋሉ። ለዛ ነው ይሄ ኮምፓርትመንታላይዜሽን በጣም ፕራይመሪ አድቫንቴጅ የተባለበት ምክንያት። ስለዚህ በተመሳሳይ ሰዓት የተለያዩ ኦርጋኔሎች የተለያየ ስራ መስራት ይችላሉ። this is the primary advantage of compartmentalization in eukaryotic cells